Hi everyone, I'm Louis at Vape Smart Vending. Today we have new model in production line. So let me show you more details. The machine consists of two parts. This is the machine body and this is the stand. If you don't need this stand, you can just put this machine onto the wall and make it to be a wall-mounted model.
6 holes at the back side, which is designed to hang the machine onto the wall.
32-inch touch screen, card reader, and this we can install a fuel acceptor. Totally there are 5 floors. Each floor there are 4 slots. We can put it out and refill the products here and put it in.
There are handles at the side, which will make the installation easier.
If you need more information, welcome to contact us.